Hey, this is Dave from HouseBaroners.com. If you're looking for some good garage storage ideas, check this out. Today, we're going to put together a unit that's going to allow us to take things from the floor, lift them high up to the ceiling, and store them out of sight. It's something that we're going to put above the track that will store miscellaneous tools. My whole goal is to try to get things off the floor because the floor space is always at a premium. But there's all the space up here, all the space above me that is completely wasted. Garage ceiling storage is the solution, putting tools up in an organized way but out of sight. For starters, for this project, we need a 2 foot by 8 foot piece of plywood. The 1x4s will be our sides and our middle pieces. We're going to frame this out like a tray and it will hold our tools once we're done. So let's get started building. We've already cut down the 1x4s to fit perfectly on the sides of the 2x8 sheet of plywood. And so now we're going to attach them with 1 1/4 inch screws. We're going to pre-drill the screws so we don't split the 1x4 sides. It's kind of important because you want a good strong fit. Our tray is done. All right, so we've laid this tray on the side of the garage where we want it to ultimately hang, straight up there. And now we'll just go ahead and put the stud finder on there so we'll find the other studs so we can hang the support bar. We've got this 2x4 here, and we've drilled some holes and did a little bit of a countersink there so that when these bolts are in, they'll be flat, they'll be flush with the top of the board. We got these 3-inch lag screws or 3.5-inch lag screws, and we're going to go ahead and mount those. We're going to mount this support board from which everything will hang. This is our kit that we're going to use to lift everything with. We have a couple pulleys here. This one has a brake on it. These are mounting brackets, some hooks, some rope, and the hardware. And this will function as a cleat to tie the rope off on. So it all comes in the kit. We got it at Menards. It's a kayak lifting kit or a ladder lifting kit. And it's somewhere around 20, 25 bucks. You can pick something like this up on Amazon. And we're Amazon affiliates. So if you use our link in the description below, Amazon will give us credit we can earn from qualifying purchases. And that helps support our channel. So thanks a lot if you choose to go that route. I decided that this tray could be used as a workbench if we flipped it over. And so I'm going to make it multi-purpose. I've already got the long legs already cut for them, whenever this tray is not used to hold stuff, we can flip it over and use it for a workbench if need be. All right, so all I have to do now is pop the legs in to the pockets. And now, rather than working on the floor, you've got a good solid table there to work on. All right, we've got the pulleys up there, and now we have to thread the rope through. What really makes this hoist worth it is this brake right here. So when it's in the vertical position, the rope slides between it. And then when it goes to a horizontal position, it locks it. And then whenever you want to raise it or lower it, you just pull down, and then that allows the rope to slide through the brake. Because this was a kayak kit, the original bar that I had up there was only 4 or 5 feet, and that was per the kayak directions. But the problem was when I was pulling it up, the side of the tray was interfering with the rope. So I reinstalled a new bar that's 8 foot long, the same length as the tray, so that the ropes now when I use them won't interfere. I changed the mounting of the hooks to right here. This keeps the whole pulley assembly that holds the straps lower in the tray. It gives me, I can raise it higher. And then this also is a fail-safe. If this strap were to break or this buckle were to break for any reason, it's also going to catch on these hooks, so we'd still be good. All right, so let's give this a test run, see how she does. Got the clearance that we needed on the tray. The garage door opens, and yet there's still a ton of storage up there that's out of the way and making use of dead space. Garage ceiling storage maximizes the use of all this overhead space, which is typically unused, and it clears up the whole floor. So if you're looking for a good project while you wait for spring to arrive, this garage ceiling storage solution is just the project. Well, I hope this video helps. If you got anything out of it, give us a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.